Good morning from the Pompey Observatory. I'm going to try to see if we can see Jupiter through clouds. In the meantime, this is Mars and Uranus, not as colorful as I would have liked it to be. Interesting, I'm loading Stellarium, it's loading the latest TLE database. Okay, let's see how it's gonna go. I don't know, it's gonna solve it with so few stars, probably not. It did actually. So let's see if we're gonna be able to look at Mars. There is Mars. Okay, and a badly collimated telescope for that. Oh, one thing we forgot to do this morning, and let's correct it now. And that is syncing from PC time. Please notice we are at 3:53, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, hit sync. And wow, it's several minutes off. I do not understand how Optron with a GPS controlled mount can be so far off. Okay, will it allow me to move Mars to the center? That's close enough for our purposes. One to 50th, we're still too bright. Let's reduce gain. There is Mars. Highly unlikely to get Uranus in the same frame because Uranus is about 20 arc minutes away and the field of view of the telescope is only 14 arc minutes. But considering this is Mars, let us grab enough to make it worthwhile. Okay, and let's go smaller. Alright, and we're gonna say Mars. Come on. I want to do a quick capture of 1000 frames. It's done. That was quick. Let's see if we can get a short capture out of it. I'm gonna go 5000 frames and then pick the best. It is capturing them at 100 frames per second. Good morning, Lauren from South Dakota. We had clouds all night, so we missed out on the interesting targets. But on the right side, Seestar has both an overexposed Mars with an underexposed Uranus in the same frame. This is Mars on the C11. With 5000 frames, I'm hoping I can get enough good frames to stack. I'm gonna repeat with lower exposure. Yep, let's do that again. This is where PIP and AstroSurface will come in handy, because they will pick up the better frames and throw all the others out. DWARF Lab sent me 3 new versions of the app. I have the video on. It's took us about half an hour to load the same app with 3 different versions and test it. They just want to see which one we like to choose between manual focus, between manual go-to and automatic go-to. Alright, let me go back to full screen and see if we can find Uranus. And then we have to hop over to Jupiter, because Io is transiting Jupiter right now. Okay, Uranus. See here, they are side by side. You know what, I'm not going to try to slew to Uranus. I'm just going to slide to it. Since we know it's somewhere up there. Let's see if we can do that. If not, we will slew. We just need to get Mars out of the way. Yep. Maybe, maybe not. Okay. We do not have any stars, not enough stars to plate solve it. Okay, let's get to doing some real work. Pleiades is up and beautiful here. Jupiter. Have we lost the sky to the clouds? There is Jupiter. Okay, let's bring it to the center and see if we can look at Io. That away. Removing the reticle, and let's see. We may have to refocus. This is not focused, that's for sure. Okay, we're definitely dealing with clouds here. That black dot here, okay. Clouds have a better idea. Okay, let's see if this will let us. Unless I have a couple of seconds of quiet sky, I'm not going to be able to focus. Let's hope we don't have insult added to injury today with rain coming. Let me check the radar. Actually, yes, rain is moving in. I'm just going to give it another 2 or 3 minutes. If we cannot get Jupiter back up on the screen. I don't know if it'll let me focus on one of the moons. The moon seems reasonably focused. So let's get on to Jupiter. Come on. As long as we have just a fraction of a second clarity, I'm going to hit 1000 frames and see if we can get them. Have not seen anything about dwarf 3 dark frames yet. Our frame rate through the clouds is only 4 frames per second. When we took Mars, we were hitting at 120 frames per second, so I'm going to stop this. I don't like it either, the taking of the darks. I prefer Seestar's attitude much better. They have a built-in dark filter. And they take darks automatically before every session. First thing they do is close the lens and take the darks. The dwarf battery is giving me problems in the heat. When I try to image the sun in the heat, the battery stops charging, and I'm not sure if it's the battery or the charge circuitry that fails. And then it just drains the battery fairly quickly. Okay, if you would excuse me, I have to close the big dome before the rain gets to it. Checking one more time. Checking the radar. Yes, the rain is moving in. It's less than 10 miles away at this point, so I'm gonna go down. Ladies and gentlemen, I regret to wish you good day here. Nightwaves, thanks for joining us. I was hoping when the dogs barked, looked outside, I saw semblance of lights in the sky. I thought we can cheat the storm, but ain't gonna happen. Rain right now is just around Skaneateles Lake, which is less than 20 miles from here. Good day all, and stay cool, except for our friends in Australia, stay warm. Hi Larry. On the right side you can see the conjunction of Mars and Uranus, but I tried to get the EO transit of Jupiter. Oh well, I better hurry down. Good day all.